Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any Instagram reels, you can making a video with the pictures by using will be Canva option. So any image you can design will be like this. It will be image option. But if you're making a video purpose, there's a two options. One is called mobile video, is a reel option, 1080 by 1920 pixel. Select here. This will be making with along with image and audio. This audio we can selecting from YouTube free music. So go to your particular pictures. Which is your promoting will be here. That you can promote will be here. So you can, what is the options you will be promoting? That you can promoting will be here is the option. So how many images you have? Image base, prepare it. This is suppose not suitable for this. So we can add it this. Add your music. Start from onwards. Which is unnecessary image. Delete it. Audio done. Click for MP4 format and download it. After that, what are the information you have? Fix the information will be here. Before that, so here, video, wait for same video we can upload from the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, anything will be acceptance. Done. Now click for select your video from download folders. Take as a 9:1, which is thumbnail you will be selecting more interested. Add it here. Or you can go with the Apple logo also. This all purpose to sell your product by using Instagram option. So click for next, add the content and click for share. So this is the procedure. We can follow it and upload the reels on your particular Instagram account. If any further question, making reel with images and audio, every audio you can compulsory follow will be option name is called. Here is that we can go to audio library. There is option will be here. Every free music is available here. Listen and download the free music and just to mention will be genre and mode and artist name. This is enough for the adding your particular things. If any further question, ask me to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.